Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very quick video for you guys today packed with a ton of value. So I've been getting a lot of questions recently asking me about business ideas that people can start even if they're dead broke. So if you want to know exactly how you can start a business from home, even if you have no money to get started, then make sure you watch this entire video because this is a video for you. Okay, so let me just dive right into it and give you guys the details as to how to go about making money for yourself from the comfort of your home, even if you don't have any money to get started. A lot of you guys love dropshipping, but most of you guys are not able to afford the courses or the tools needed to start your own dropshipping business. So if you're dead broke, you're starting from scratch, make sure you watch this entire video and also make sure you get subscribed because I'm going to be doing follow-up videos to this video, diving into the details of how to actually get these videos set up if you don't quite have it figured out. Okay, so before I talk to you guys about the 4 businesses that I want to share with you in this video, let me just reiterate something I spoke about in a previous video, and that is my 7 recommended ways to actually monetize any business that you start on the internet. So these are all legal ways of monetization, and these are the absolute easiest ways that you can monetize anything you do on the internet. So just to reiterate, just to recap for you guys who are new to my channel, they are to sell a product. So you could create and sell a product, for example, a book. You could sell your services, so make sure that you have the right expertise. You could actually use that and sell a service on the internet. You could sell a course or a membership. So if you have knowledge in a particular field, then you could create that in a course and actually sell that course and make money. Or you could create a membership program where people pay you on a monthly basis to actually be a part of that membership. You could create a webinar and use that as your monetization strategy for your internet-based business. You could choose to do this weekly or monthly or bi-monthly. The next way that you could monetize is to sell affiliate products. So if you don't want to create your own products, or maybe you don't know exactly how to create your own product just yet, you could start out selling affiliate products, and Amazon have a really good affiliate program that is not very difficult to get into. So if you're just starting out, you could try the Amazon Associates program. That's a great way as well to monetize your business on the internet. You could choose to set up an e-commerce store, so you could start dropshipping, or maybe you could sell merchandise. Whatever it is that you want to do, you could start doing that with e-commerce. And finally, you could make money from advertising revenue. So advertising revenue is possibly the hardest one to do here when you're starting out on the internet, as you will not have any reputation, you will not have a large audience, so it may be difficult for you to actually start earning ad revenues, especially on platforms such as YouTube. You can actually start earning ad revenues from a podcast, which I'm going to be talking about in a bit more detail immediately after you actually start your podcast. But of course, you have to get a lot of listeners for it to be worthwhile for you to make a decent income doing that. So those are the 7 ways that you can monetize anything you do on the internet. So once you know exactly how to go about monetizing what you're doing online, then you have to figure out your avenue of actually monetizing in this way. So these are the 4 ways that you can actually get started on the internet and make money online, even if you have no money to get started. So the first one I'm going to be recommending to you right now is to start a YouTube channel. All right, so this right here, you're watching me on YouTube, of course. It's very easy to start a YouTube channel. It's free. All you need is to actually have a topic that you want to talk about. Have something that you want to share with the world, and it doesn't matter what it is. I'm sure you can find a way to monetize that down the line. And the reason why I have YouTube as number 1 is because I know for sure that YouTube is something that you can absolutely monetize and make a pretty decent income doing that, even if you have a small audience. I do have a course on how to do YouTube properly, how to build a personal brand on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check out the links in the video description. The next thing I want to talk to you about as it relates to creating a business from scratch, even if you're dead broke, is to start a podcast on Anchor FM. So it's free to start a podcast. If you have a cell phone, you can go ahead and start a podcast all you need to do is to go to the Google or Apple Play Store, download the Anchor FM app, and you can immediately start your podcast. I highly recommend, of course, that you use a mic and you start a proper podcast with good audio quality and everything, properly structured podcast. So make sure you have some ideas around that before you actually get started. But if you don't want to start out with any structure, you can absolutely do that. Get your phone, get the app, and start recording your podcast immediately. So Anchor is a great place to actually start a podcast, because they actually help you to find sponsors for your podcast. Even if you don't get a lot of listens and a lot of views on your podcast, you can start getting sponsorship, which is a great motivator for you to actually promote your podcast, to start getting a lot more listens. So make sure you check out Anchor FM if you want to start a podcast. A great way to monetize online as well. Absolutely free to start once again. The third business that you can start from scratch, even if you don't have any money, is to do Instagram. So you could start a business page on Instagram, and just like YouTube or even Anchor, you need to start creating content. So you could start creating video content or even image content. I've seen so many business pages on Instagram creating content just through images, and they have managed to grow their pages to some ridiculous numbers in very short space of time, and from there they can actually monetize those business pages. You do need to remember that money follows attention. So once you have a large following and you get a lot of attention, you can actually monetize using any of the 7 ways I outlined for you just now, or even better, you could do a combination of any of those 7 methods I shared with you earlier. And finally, the 4th way that you can monetize your presence online, start a business online from scratch, even if you're dead broke, no money required, is to start writing on Medium. So yes, blogging has been around for a very long time, but usually you had to have money to start a blog, to pay for hosting and stuff like that. But right now you can start your own blog on Medium for free. All you need to do is to sign up and you can start writing. And if you do this consistently over time, you will start getting a lot of views. And you can use any of the 7 methods I outlined earlier once again to monetize your blog on Medium. So there you have it, guys. Those are 4 ways you can start a business online for free. So about 10 years ago, Gary Vaynerchuk did a video where he was saying that, hey, it has never been easier to start a business. You can actually start a business online for free just by investing time. And that has not changed up until this day. So all you need right now to start a business in 2019 is time and, of course, some knowledge. So if you have some knowledge, make sure you capitalize on that. Don't just sleep on that knowledge. You could start a YouTube channel, just to recap, start a podcast, write on Medium, or you could start an Instagram page, all for free, and you can monetize that using any of the methods that I outlined for you earlier. So there you have it, guys. I really do hope you found some value in this video, and not just found value, but go ahead and take action and start something for yourself. All right, so if you found some value in this video, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions about any of the things I just pointed out, or maybe you just want to say thank you for this information, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with someone you know would find it helpful. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be getting into more details about these business ideas. Trust me, if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss it. So make sure you get subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.